So we're trying to get out of this canyon, but then it's always one of those things. One more try, one more road. It saw this when we were checking out another mine. And it looked like it had a tunnel. What's really cool is down here, that's an ore cart. Pretty cool. The person I'm out here with is already up ahead. Got a little brook right there we had to cross. It looks like if we would have continued up the main road, we could have driven. But then if we would have driven up, we would have never seen that ore cart. That's interesting. It's like the cement. Oh, so that's probably where the ore cart fell. Huh. And we would have had to stop there and backed up. But so that's where they dumped it. Kind of use that as a grizzly. Oh, there's another dumper right over there. Cool. Huh. All righty. Light is on. Judging from the size, I'll say about a 50 power.
Really interesting formation. But the air feels nasty.
Yeah, it does. I can already feel it now. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, you're in it.
Am I running it?
No.
I'll let you go in front of me if you want.
Trying to stay on the metal so we don't get into this slop. Did you send a locator beacon?
I tried. Let me see if it went through.
Well, no, it didn't because you're flashing all blue.
What does that mean?
If it's blue and a counterclockwise, that means that the message is waiting to be sent.
Well, nope. So nobody gets to die in here today. Isn't it interesting how it's like calcification? in the channels where the water's running between the tracks?
Yeah. Yeah, this is, well, slow going. Oh, look at that.
It feels like rock though. Oh yeah. Oh. Never mind.
You just broke through?
Yeah. Some of it. This is really cool. Does it just keep going?
Yep.
Well, maybe we should come back when we do the waders, because then we wouldn't have to worry about slow going, and you could bring an air monitor.
Okay, there's the end of that pipe. Well, it's not that deep. I'm not going to worry about slow going anymore. I mean, this stuff is, that's calcite. It's hard, but soft at the same time. Oh, that's a big sounds like a lot of water's pouring back here. Oh! That is so cool. What is that? It's like fuzzy at the bottom. Look at that.
Ooh, what is that?
I don't know. It's like a string and it's fuzzy at the bottom.
Mold?
I don't know. That's cool.
Kind of organic.
Very fibrous.
Whoa.
Old ladder. Oh, wow. Oh, it's coming from a pipe. That is cool. see where water comes in. We are at the end. So this is the end of this neat little tunnel. Oh wow, so you got a drill hole up here. You can see water's coming out of that. Oh, that's awesome. Huh? This gets you excited to do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Now let's get the heck off this mountain. So, white people, I don't understand people sometimes with that. Catch you on the next one.